for Rise for BC Kids right here on Global BC. And Yvonne joins us now. A great night to stay inside and watch the telethon, perhaps, Yvonne.
Yeah, it's a great night to stay indoors this evening. And the big weather concern that we're having is we're still tracking some rainfall, but the potential is there that we could see some power outages with this frontal system that is pushing in. We've got a bit of a lull in the action. We can see that towards the west end. The rainfall still working its way towards the Tri-Cities. We're seeing it across the island, and there's still one more wave of rain that we'll be tracking for us across the lower mainland before it really does start to ease off through the day for tomorrow. A few of the spots right now where we're seeing the current winds, we can see that out of Tsawwassen, 46 gusts though, up to 56 kilometers per hour. Abbotsford right now, we're seeing those winds up to 30. Areas near Howe Sound just over 44, and we have the potential 70 and up to 80 for a few areas, or most areas rather, blanketing the lower mainland. It's the southern Gulf Islands that could see some of those winds with gusts of up to 90. So the big concern, especially as we get in towards this evening, will be the potential for power outages. We'll track it all the way in towards midnight, and then eastern areas and extending into the Fraser Valley. We'll still see very windy conditions overnight before it tapers off by tomorrow morning. We've got a blanket of the weather statement that is in effect, and we're seeing the potential for some snowfall, 5 and up to 10 centimeters for most areas, central and southern interior. The southeastern corners, though, with the snowfall warning near Fernie, could see between up to 15 centimeters, and the winter storm warning that is in effect. So now if you're traveling along the mountain passes, the big concern, Allison, the Coquihalla, the Kootenay Pass will all be included within that. Could see 15 and up to 25 centimeters, so very heavy snow. We're also looking at those winds picking up with gusts of up to 50, the potential for blowing snow. So the winter storm warning that is in effect for the mountain passes is overnight, or this evening, overnight, and then it starts to taper off. A bit of a break if you're planning on traveling along the mountain passes will be through the afternoon tomorrow. Wanted to give you a heads up. We've got a lull in the action on Monday. This is just a look ahead, and it's Tuesday, Wednesday. We've got this cold Arctic air that's moving in across the province. The ingredients are there, and the potential for some snowfall will be looking ahead towards Tuesday, Wednesday. So stay tuned through the day for tomorrow. We're just looking at a few showers in the mix through the afternoon. Bit of a break along the north coast. We're still seeing that snowfall through the central interior with windy conditions. It's the mountain passes, so once again, not recommended travel this evening. It'll taper off to flurries through the day for tomorrow. Across the island, we'll still hang on to a fair bit of cloud cover. It's a chance of showers across the lower mainland as well, and then it does start to ease off. Bit of a breeze or very windy conditions this evening. Still a bit of a breeze for tomorrow, and then we've got the potential for a few flurries for Monday morning. Heads up Tuesday, Wednesday, Sarah. We could see the potential for some snow. It's just a heads up right now.
Okay, and I think that is almost December those days, right? So
yes.
It's going to start feeling a lot like Christmas pretty soon. Okay,
yes.
Thanks so much, Yvonne.
Could be a white Christmas.
The Langley Christmas Bureau is